All right, so welcome everybody. Today, because we're just 2 days outside of Halloween, we want to talk about horror, but we want to talk about women in horror, because you don't get a lot of that, right? When we think about horror, we think about a lot of famous male authors. Now we're going to think about some of the women, both writers, and we're going to think about some stories that are famous stories that are female focused and how that affects us as we watch these types of things, right? What they make us think about, what we should be thinking about. So when I think about horror, I think about this lady first. Guesses? Mary Shelley. Mary Shelley, when we think about Mary Shelley, we think about what book she wrote. Frankenstein, right? Frankenstein does double duty. It's kind of a double genre piece. It's science fiction, but it's also horror. When we think about Frankenstein, we think about the monster in the movies that we've seen, the costumes people wear for Halloween. A lot of people, until they read Frankenstein, don't understand that's not the name of the monster. That's the name of Dr. Frankenstein, who made the monster, right? So this was all concocted in the brain of a 19-year-old young woman. And that's how important her work was. We're still reading it to this day, right? And we're still thinking about what does it mean.